All right, let's do the Esplanade, Charles River. First little orientation. We're on the Esplanade bike path right now. We're looking towards Newton, Wellesley, BU, Brighton, that way, out towards the suburbs. We're right underneath the Harvard Bridge, Mass Ave. All right, so we'll talk about the inside lanes, outside lanes, show you where the bathrooms are, some playgrounds, you know, maybe some ways you could make the most of your time if you come out here. So we just went under Mass Ave. There is that bridge coming down. Here's an example of the inside and outside. So slow down a little bit. So on the inside, there is cycling, but you're gonna have a lot of walking, running, and jogging, as you might imagine. Just be aware of that. And then on the outside, where we're at right now, you'll still have people on foot, but it won't be as dense. If you want to, you know, stretch your legs a little bit, this is actually a good place to do that. I'll sneak in and get a little view. All right, so you can see people out there boating and whatnot. That's Cambridge, straight across. More specifically, MIT. You can see the dome there, and then back over towards the bridge. All right, now we're getting to an interesting part. You're gonna be very close to the water. Keep that in mind if you're bringing your kids out here, very close. And it's also pretty bumpy. Here, I'll show you a couple. Right here with the tree roots. And you're right along the edge. And a lot of people are zooming in and out here as well. Just keep that in mind. Very windy too. More bumps. You'll see a few of these bridges as you go through. I mean, nothing stopping you from going over there. It is mostly walking and running, and it is a bit choppy. The path is not, it could be redone for sure. All right, two key things here to the right. Number one, the bathrooms, if they're open. Here, they're not right now, but they do exist and they are open occasionally. I don't even want to get into that. And then there's the bridge to Dartmouth Street, right up there. That's a two-way protected lane on Dartmouth, get you through the Back Bay. We got videos on that. See, now there's no outer or inner, we're just all on one. And you can see, you know, there's definitely more people. Even with that though, most days I'm here, you can still, like right now I'm not killing myself, I'm going a little bit, but you can still, you know, really push yourself inside the Esplanade and be very safe. Take a look at some of our friends here in the water. So all the ducks, the swans, and you know, all that stuff is there. There's some more boats, sailboats out there. All right, coming up on the right, if you have kids, there's an excellent playground. We did it a few years ago. The equipment. Kids seem to love that one. And now we've got an inner and outer again. So I'll always veer to the right here. And get out on the edge. Another bridge, Beacon Hill, West End. that's a good amount of it. You're gonna keep going on the left here. Bathrooms again, very important. Those ones are quite reliable, I would say, as far as pretty much always being there and unlocked. And that's pretty much it. Keep going up, you'll hit Lederman. So there's a look at the Esplanade. Let me know what other things you want to see out here.